Since I don't have a driver's license nor enough money for a car, this will be a good opportunity to visit some monuments in Zagreb and not pollute the environment. My first stop is next to Cibona Tower. There's a monument of Dražen Petrović throwing a basketball into an invisible hoop. Since we're close, let's visit the Technical Museum. Oh no, it's closed. But regardless, I'll say something about it. In the Technical Museum, through his inventions, you can meet Nikola Tesla. You can also see everything from the first airplane to descending into the mine. The French pavilion, which has been renewed a couple of years ago, is now used for exhibitions. If you wish, you can look outside the pavilion and see walls covered in graffiti. This is one of my favorites. At Zrenjevac, you can sit on the grass and look at the sky through branches while you listen to the water fountains. If you're lucky, you can see people playing instruments in the pavilion. Now we are on Ban Jelačić Square. Here you can tame the wild pigeons. You can also try to tame Jelačić's horse, but he's already tamed. You can take a stroll down Tuškanac, and after your stroll you can see a good movie in the Tuškanac theater. On the Marshal Tito Square, you have multiple choices. You can watch an opera in the Croatian National Theatre, see the newest exhibition in the Museum of Arts and Crafts, and see the gymnasts in the Gymnastics Center Croatian Hawk. There's also a high school and a primary school. I like to go in front of the building to practice my skateboard tricks.
I'm reaching out for the easy high. Please